Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be the power saving mode icon, the one that looks like the battery. Once you find the power saving mode icon, you can tap on it, and then you can tap on the check mark to confirm to enable the power saving mode. You will see the message battery saver on, the icon will get highlighted, and if you go back to watch face, you will see the power saving mode icon at the top of the watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. If you want to disable it, open the quick panel again, tap on the icon. You will see the message battery saver off, the icon will go back to the gray color, and the icon from the top of the watch face will disappear. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.